Hi guys, SoCal Tint Shop, and today we just finished up and wanted to show you a brand new 26 Model Y Juniper, obviously, and we did on red stealth finish. This got full complete, full body in a stealth finish, and this is what it looks like. So we've done lights, really everything. We did window tinting as well. We did the top of the line XR Plus 70 for the full front windshield. Driver and passenger got 15 in top of the line XR Plus. As you can see, I don't know if you can see in the video, but it looks pretty light with the white interior. Everything else, as you guys know, looks a lot lighter. Back's got the darkest Limo 5 over existing factory, so it's definitely gets pretty dark in the back. This is what it looks like, red with a stealth finish. Let me show you guys what it looks like from inside looking out. That is 15 and this is 70. That's what it looks like from inside. I mean, it's definitely from inside a lot lighter, I would say. Also, we did the top, we did 35 medium. You guys let us know what you guys think about the stealth finish on red, or if you guys need any quote, any info, any details, we definitely can go. You guys can always call. I'm always here to answer any of you guys' questions. Appreciate you and thanks for watching.